anybody, you may need a pretty car from him. Here some cocky first time to abigas sa display, you know what I mean. It's a healthy figure, like a do no tell. So she hurting a lover, no she don't care.
Hey guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back. I got a package. Okay, so Yolova Hair went ahead and sent me their 13x4 wig. It is in the texture body wave and it's 24 inches and it is a highlighted wig. So this is completely different for me. The link to the hair will be down below. So of course you guys can go ahead and check it out, and there will also be a code so that you guys can get money off. First of all, the actual packaging is beautiful. I love it. It's really cute. So I'm just showing you guys what comes in the package. It comes with wig cap, of course. It also comes with lashes and it comes with tweezers. Okay, and this is what the hair is looking like. It does come in a bag with netting, and then it comes with, you know, that paper just to, you know, help it stay. And this is what the hairline is looking like. The hairline definitely came pre-plucked, but you guys will see in the video that I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more, and then of course the knots are not bleached, but I went ahead and bleached those knots. You guys will see that clip as well. Okay, and this is what the lace is looking like. You only get that like 13x4 parting space only in the middle, but not on the sides, which is fine because I always wear a middle part. Okay, so you do get 4 combs. You get 1 in that middle, not the front, but like in the middle, and then you get 2 on the sides, and then you get 1 at the back. And then of course it does come with adjustable straps. So I'm showing you guys what the hair is looking like in its natural state, fresh out the box. Okay, I love the color. It looks really nice. This is what the knots are looking like. The knots are really small, which I love. They're not big knots so where it's noticeable, like hello, those knots are huge, but they're really small, which I love. But I'm gonna go ahead and bleach them, so I'm just prepping up the hair for it to be bleached, and you guys will see me do that now. Okay, so this is the bleaching powder that I will be using. It is the Clairol Professionals a BW2 bleaching powder, and I will be using their 40 volume developer. So of course you are going to also need a mixing bowl and a mixing brush, and of course you are going to need gloves because let me tell you, when the bleach get on your skin, you're gonna feel it later. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. So make sure you wear gloves. Okay, so I'm only using 1 scoop of the bleaching powder because I don't need a lot, just 1 scoop. And I'm just gonna eyeball. I don't really have a measurement of the developer. You want to make sure that it's not runny when you mix it. You just want to make sure that it's a nice thick consistency, not too thick. You want it to be, you know, thick and thin enough to where it actually not penetrates so that it touches the actual hair, but you want to make sure that, you know, it can bleach or not. So not too thick, not too thin. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but that consistency that you see right there, that's the one that you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my brush and apply the bleach to the lace only where of course the knots are, and yeah. I let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I rinsed it out, and then you guys will see the end results. So this is what the knots are looking like after I have bleached them. They are looking so much better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck the other side. I already plucked the left side off camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the right side. Not too much. It probably took me about a good 10-15 minutes just to pluck, because again, this hairline, it did already come pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do too much plucking, but I wanted it to look a little bit more natural. So that's what I'm doing here. And this is what it's looking like. I love the results, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, mold it, do my baby hairs, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and let it dry. Okay, so now this is what the hair is looking dry. These are the natural curls. It's like kind of like a loose wave, you know, type texture, which I really like. So it's like a really natural, you know, loose wave type texture, and I just love how the color looks. So now the rest of the video is self-explanatory. I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and you guys are gonna watch me struggle with the installation, but we got there. It's not about the process, it's about the results. Okay, and then I will go ahead and come back to you guys and let you know my thoughts on the hair at the end of the video. and show you all and tell you guys my initial review about this hair. Now, the knots bleached really well. This hair is really soft, and this is how the hair is looking in its natural state. It's a body wave texture, and this is how the hair looks after it is washed. This is how long the hair is, you guys. So that's how long the hair is. This hair does not shed at all, so I love that. I love the fact that it doesn't shed. When I washed it, it didn't shed. When I bleached the knots, it didn't really shed, you guys. So this hair is perfect. You got a nice parting space, of course. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it and show you guys how it looks straight. Okay, and this is how it's looking straight. Okay, so this is how it's looking straight, y'all, and I love the straight look. I like the hair. I love the color. Like, you get that nice highlighted look, and then there's like highlights throughout the entire wig, so it's not just in the front. I love it. I love it. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Always remember to stay beautiful. Bye, guys.